This plug is both to run the air gun, you plug it into here, and to charge it. This runs right to the battery, so when you plug the charger, it charges it. When it's unplugged and not charging, the switch inside runs the pump for spraying, and then there's a switch on the air gun to turn on and off the air gun from this plug. This is the air gun plug, and it uses the same receptacle as the charger to be powered, and has an on-off switch on the front. When you're using this gun, you're going to use from your bag of parts, we'll do an inventory of this later, the fine misting sprayer. These are 50 micron spray heads, and the screw on to the end of the tip here. And there's a protective and focusing cover that screws over this to help the air get blasted in the right direction.